Whoa, almost fell down.
Hi, making a snow bed.
That's a snow fort.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, but I'm making a snow bed in it.
A bed?
Yeah, well, that giant piece, and I'm punching snow to make it softer.
Are these snowmen big or what?
Yeah, everyone keeps coming near our house and saying, "Oh my gosh, is it a phenomenon ground?"
Don't knock him over. Wow, this guy's cool. I like him.
My favorite is the giant one with the crown.
Yeah? Yeah? It's like Mr. Potato Head. I like that guy.
Yesterday and today because of the snow, and half of it's gone already. It would have been up to here on me because if we didn't make the snowman in the fort.
Yeah, it was deep.
The backyard is cool too. You should see the backyard. Dad, can you go in the backyard?
Yeah, we can go in the backyard.
I'll finish the snowbed later.
Alright, bye.